Hi guys, how are you? How are you today? I want to describe about this machine. This machine is lathe machine. Come on. You can look this part of the machine. The first, this is headstock. Headstock in the inside there are gear shaft, and then this spindle speed control. There are two spindle, and this is a spindle, and this is bed. This is tool post. There are cutter machine. You can look many kind of cutter machine. And then this is coolant from used to drain the job. And then this is tailstock. You can roll, and then it is jack of the tailstock. If you jack this, the tailstock cannot move. And then if you want to use this machine, you can use this material. This material can you jack in the spindle. For example, you can displace. For example, like us. Yes. And then you can roll this handle. The next, you can turn on the machine. Turn on the machine. Yes. If you finish to the job place, you can put this material, and then you can finish to use this machine. And don't you remember if you finish use the machine, you can turn off this machine. Okay, thank you. This I think is enough for description for me about lathe machine. I think is bye bye. Thank you.